Have you ever wanted to learn a new language? Ever dreamed to express yourself in French or Spanish? Or connect deeply in Mandarin? Now you can, with technology and a platform named ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, it's a game changer for language learning. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model that goes beyond translation. Imagine a personal linguistics coach, available non-stop, making it a perfect partner in your language journey. Curious about leveraging this tool to grasp a new language's subtleties? How practice, improve, and become fluent? Sit back and allow me to guide you through this exciting journey with ChatGPT, making your language learning dream a reality. Start with a defined goal. Perhaps you yearn to order pizza in Italian or you're keen on delivering a business presentation in Japanese. Your objective sets the tone of your interactions with ChatGPT. Can range from simple tasks like asking for directions in French to complex undertakings like appreciating Russian literature. You might set personal goals such as learning German for a trip, or professional ones like mastering Spanish for a job. This unambiguous aim helps you strategize your learning journey with ChatGPT. Your purpose, no matter how small or vast, serves as a beacon, illuminating your language learning voyage. Next, familiarize yourself with the platform. ChatGPT, a breakthrough tool, offers a unique text-based interface. Here, you engage entirely through typing and reading. This may sound challenging, but it's quite advantageous. Specifically, it's a boon for language learners. It offers an immediate immersive language experience, immersing you in the language. You engage and get responses, thus understanding the language in written form. This isn't simple interaction. It's truly educational. By consistently interacting, you're strengthening your vocabulary and grammar understanding. By constantly seeing the written language, you're reinforcing vocabulary and grammar rules. Now on to the fun part, chatting with ChatGPT. This is your chance to converse with our state-of-the-art AI conversation partner. It's pretty simple. You start with a neutral greeting. Suppose you're practicing Spanish, begin with Hola, ¿cómo estás? A warm, hello, how are you? Once initiated, ChatGPT responds, engaging you in a dialogue that's both natural and informative. You'll steadily pick up vocabulary, sentence structure, and context, making the learning process all the more enjoyable. What's more, you can have these conversations at any time, be it day or night. And voila, your language learning session with ChatGPT has begun just like that. As you continue the conversation, never fear errors. You see, learning is a journey brimming with stumbles. It's an essential part of the process. When you mix up phrases or misuse a word, ChatGPT is there. It doesn't merely correct you, it serves as a guide. Each revision, each correction, is a stepping stone toward language mastery. Progression, not perfection, is our focus. Imagine it as your personal linguistic mentor. It's like having your personal language tutor. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its ability to generate varied responses. This artificial intelligence has the capacity to create diverse answers each time you engage with it. Envision an exchange where the topic remains constant, yet the responses are forever dynamic, possessing a novel twist. Doesn't this make your interaction with the tool more engaging? You aren't merely having a conversation, you're absorbing fresh vocabulary and discovering unique sentence structures. It's not just a tool, it's an educational experience that boosts your language proficiency, introducing you to an expansive range of words and sentence formations. It's a fantastic way to expose yourself to a wide range of vocabulary and sentence structures. Also, don't limit yourself to just one type of conversation. Diversify your communication practice to include various scenarios. Imagine you're at an Italian restaurant ordering your favorite dish or navigating a foreign city, seeking directions to a subway station. Engage in debates on current affairs or chat with a stranger at a bus stop. Negotiate business deals or haggle over prices at a market. Express yourself eloquently on a date, ask for sightseeing recommendations on a holiday, or request additional amenities at a hotel. Every day presents unique situations demanding different language skills. By doing this, you'll equip yourself with a broad range of practical language skills. In summary, learning a new language with ChatGPT revolves around 5 key steps. First, set a clear language learning goal to guide your progress. Second, get acquainted with the ChatGPT platform. It's fundamental to understand its operation for a successful learning. Third, start an engaging conversation in your target language. Fourth, learn from your mistakes for continuous improvement. Last, practice various conversation types to expand your skills. This will make you an all-round speaker. Overall, ChatGPT transforms language learning into a simple, flexible, and enjoyable journey. So why wait? Start your language learning journey with ChatGPT today and open up a world of new possibilities.